Robotic affirmations are the quickest way to manifest any of your desire instantly. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything related to robotic affirmations, like what's the science behind it, what's the logic behind it, how does it work, and how to use it in your life in order to achieve what you want. Hi, my name is Adya, and you're watching Better Life with Adya. I make videos related to manifestation, law of attraction, as well as some things that will help you in your future. So, let's just start with what is robotic affirmation. Robotic affirmation means affirmations. As you all know, affirmations are the sentences, small sentences that we repeat again and again so that it fits in our mind. But the traditional law of attraction says that when you are affirming, you have to put all of your feeling in that particular, when you are affirming that sentence. Like if I'm affirming, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, then I should put that feeling of being rich. But robotic affirmations are a bit different from the regular affirmations. Regular affirmations, you have to put all your feelings, you have to put the energy. But in robotic affirmations, you just need to affirm it without concerning about the feeling. So if I take the example of I am healthy, so I have to affirm it like I am healthy, I am healthy, I am healthy, without thinking about I am feeling it or not. That is important in robotic affirmations. Now, what's the logic? What's the science behind it? How does it work? As we know, affirm anything that we repeat again and again, it absorbs into our subconscious mind. And when we are putting feeling, it works with 10x power. But if you're facing some problem in putting feeling and energy, you can opt for this robotic affirmations because it is so simple. You just have to affirm. And when you affirming it again and again, repeating it again and again, then the words, the sentences will absorb into your mind, into your subconscious part of mind, and then it shows into your 3D, it shows into your reality. This is how the robotic affirmations work. Now, how to use it? As you have to use it in the same way you were using the traditional affirmations. You have to just repeat it, but there was a difference because you have to put feeling and energy in the traditional one, but in the robotic affirmations you don't need to put the energy, the feeling necessarily. But if you are sometimes when you are affirming, you can put feelings. It is not compulsory, not can put your feelings and your energy in that particular affirmation, then you should go for it. But if you can't, then you should choose this option of robotic affirmations. When you are affirming, remember that when you are affirming it more and more times, should always remember that yes, things I'm repeating is the reality, it's my reality, and it's gonna show up in the 3D very soon, or it's already present in the 3D. You can take any example, like I have a house, I own a house, I own a house. You have to repeat again and again the sentence without putting the feeling, without putting the happiness feeling. But when you usually put the happiness feeling, then the results are more faster. But if you can't, then this robotic affirmation is gonna work every time, irrespective of what you are facing, irrespective of what your situation. You have to just repeat and repeat, because delusion is the only solution. You have no other way. If you are crying over the reality, stop it. Choose a better life for yourself. You have the option, you should definitely choose a better life for yourself. So that was for this video. I hope you understood the concept of robotic affirmations. If you still have any doubts about it, you can comment down below. I'm going to reply it. And subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.